Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. In the still of the marsh where the silent birds roam, found my spot far away from home. Goggles on tight, got my pulse racing fast. FVP flying, I'm free at last. Lean into a tree, it's better for my knee. Even if falling over would have been funny to see. Starting slow with the Neo 2 in hand, feeling the thrill, this adventure feels grand. Flying through the trees, just me in the sky. The Avata 2 isn't. Oh, how time flies by. Turning with precision, turns on a dime. Never thought it'd be this easy. Flying feels sublime. Carefully turning the controller, I clutch. Each move feels fine-tuned, connected by touch. Expecting to crash, oh dear, what a fright. But gliding so smooth it all feels just right. Swirling around, dodging trees with ease, but not fast as a flash, just taking it sweet. Feeling safer now, cruising at normal speed. Getting confident is the deed indeed. Flying through the trees, just me in the sky. The Avata 2 isn't. Oh, how time flies by. Turning with precision, turns on a dime. Never thought it'd be this easy. Flying feels sublime. Trying to catch every move, me's other cameras at my side. Doing this makes my view feel really wide. Finally a bad habit come to play is when I play video games. It's difficult in one place to stay, but this time every move of my hand counts. As every twitch in tough amounts, getting a smoother flight that I will believe. So much fun that is difficult to conceive. Flying through the trees, just me in the sky. The Avata 2 isn't. Oh, how time flies by. Turning with precision, turns on a dime. Never thought it'd be this easy. Flying feels sublime. The Avata handles real well. It's not just me, I can tell. Standing tall, stopping's like hitting a wall. In a fraction of a second I stall. The thrill of the flight, freedom on display. Just a man and his drone, lost in the play. In this hidden place I'll cherish this feel. Flying FPV, it's a dream that's so real. With every turn and every glide, this is my passion, my joy, my pride.